So I finished making the AdminScreen mod, and this is a fabric mod for the latest version. I can probably make it lower. There's no big issue. And the main purpose of the mod is to give a quick access panel to run commands. This is intended for people that are in servers or similar that need to run commands quickly between each other or constantly. The kind of person that runs a lot of commands, whether it's in quick succession or overall, runs like a lot of commands every day, and they are always the same or something like that. So thing is, I'm gonna show it in a well, it doesn't matter. Oh yeah, it matters. This one is another mod. It's gonna conflict. Well, no mod. It doesn't matter, honestly, as long as it doesn't crash. Yep. This is about another mod that I make that, dying showcase. So the thing is simple. You've got options, controls, keybinds, and it's over here. Admin panel, open screen. I like to press it on R, so it's the quickest access possible. And thing is, well, first of all, in single player, if you open a screen, you're gonna get frozen. So this is no exception. The screen, it's translucent, so you can have the most visibility in the background. And thing is, you just get a quick access to a category. Like this is the main screen. Here you have category buttons, and then each category has another button which actually runs a command. So from here, I'm in creative. I can go into survival and creative, survival, back and forth. It's just that simple. So if you, for example, are in a server and you can run this, you simply, you can see that. Like if I were in spectator and I'm trying to admin something, or I don't know, I can just press R and click and, do whatever command I've placed in here to make it work. So the thing is that it's quite easy to add those. You only have to go into the Minecraft folder. This is a client-side mod, unless I did something wrong. And it's as simple as going to config and going into the admin-commands.json. From the admin-commands.json, well, it can be in a streamline or it can be parsed. There is no difference. So I can place it like this, and you can see that there's category game mode, and these are the two commands, and this is the command syntax. So the thing is you can create another category just like this by adding another JSON thing. And now we have 3 different categories, and I'm gonna call this one teleport. And the next one is gonna be difficulty. So for teleport, I'm gonna go TP 10 up, and here TP 10 down. And the way to run a teleport is TP, you can run it just like this. And you go 10 up, it's like this. And then you go like this. You go 10 down, it's a minus. The next difficulty we have, for example, easy. Now we can copy and paste this one for the next one. And instead of easy, it's gonna be normal. Then another one, and this one is gonna be hard. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So for example, here are 3 different categories. This one has 2 commands, this has 2, this has 3 commands. So as of right now, I've made it so that there's 24 categories, and each category can have 24 buttons or 24 commands. So once this is saved, we can run again the instance, and we're gonna see that those change, and now we can use all of those. Some elevator music would fit perfectly here. Yeah. Now we go back into here. And once in game again, same thing as before, open to LAN, allow cheats, because this is mostly like, the reason I made it is because of a server. So what I intend the best is to be able to, for people to be able to run these things in spectator. And immediately you can see that the new buttons have been added. Like, we have game mode, teleport, and difficulty. And teleport does what the command told it to do. Difficulty, it does its job. And there's then, there's not really much difficulty to it. It gets the job done. Also, to leave, like, you can press E, or you can press, wait, 1 second. Or if I got it binded to R, so I can press R. The escape also works, so there's multiple ways to just make it quickly. Like, let's say that I'm running over here and I need to teleport 10 blocks upside for any reason. I'm just gonna go teleport up. Yep, that's it. I'm gonna go into discharge. I want to go up, teleport up, done. It's not really intended for cheating. It's just intended for other commands that can run on servers or plugins, or, well, not plugins, but you get the idea. This is intended for moderation. So quickly over here, teleports and up, we're here. Difficulty, easy, normal. I can also make it peaceful, but yeah. It's a simple one. I might later on add some language translations and maybe make this slightly beautiful, but the main purpose of this is to be able to have quick access to see what's going on and respond based to it. Yeah, that's all.